Today, we will learn how to understand a company's mission, vision, and values. Grasping these elements not only helps you determine if an organization aligns with your personal and professional goals, but also equips you to articulate why you're a good fit during interviews. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this session, you should be able to define what mission, vision, and value statements are. Interpret these statements to understand a company's core principles and long-term objectives. Evaluate how well a company's mission, vision, and values align with your own. Defining mission, vision, and values. Mission statement. This outlines what the company does, whom it serves, and how it serves them. It is a concise declaration of the organization's purpose and primary objectives. Vision statement. This describes what the company aspires to become in the future. It is an inspirational portrayal of the organization's long-term goals and desired impact. Value statement. This demonstrates the core principles and ethical standards that guide the company's actions and decision-making processes. Interpreting these statements. Analyzing the mission statement. Look for clarity in the company's purpose. Does it align with industries or roles you're passionate about? For instance, Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. This reflects a commitment to information accessibility, which might resonate with those passionate about technology and information services. Understanding the vision statement. Assess whether the company's long-term goals resonate with your career aspirations. For example, Tesla's vision is to create the most compelling car company of the 21st century by driving the world's transition to electric vehicles. This indicates a focus on innovation and sustainability, appealing to individuals interested in cutting-edge technology and environmental responsibility. Evaluating the values statement. Determine if the company's core principles mirror your personal values. If a company emphasizes integrity, collaboration, flexibility, and customer focus, consider how these align with your own work ethic and beliefs. Assessing alignment with personal values. Self-reflection. Identify your own core values and career objectives. Comparison. Match your values and goals with those stated by the company. Decision-making. Evaluate whether any disparities are acceptable or if they could lead to job dissatisfaction.